Hello designer, welcome back to DesignCoach. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create reusable buttons via Figma variant in Figma. So let's start with the first Figma file. Here is our wireframe Figma file. In the last tutorial, we create a drop-down menu for the mobile and add the interactive prototype. You can just watch via the link. So let's start with the Figma. Now I just move into the icon. I just duplicate this frame and delete and rename this into button. I just create button text and now I convert this text into add auto layout. For the button we need padding left right 16 pixel and top bottom we have used 12 pixel. I am adding the BG color here. Let me add the background color here. Now creating this frame in auto layout, I will give the name of this button. After everything we design in the auto layout button, we just convert it into component. Just convert. In this one button component, now we are add the properties. For the text, we just add properties first here. Component property create text. For the text, we can just write down it button text value button create property. The first property we created is button. Now we go to the select this button text and applying this property variable property button text. Okay, now if you duplicate this button and change the button text, you can just write here, see the button text will be changed. Now in this we need to be create first our primary button. So we just go here and add the primary color and the black color in place we just add white color. So this button will be our primary button. Now we can create a button variant based on this button. So I just go here and add the buttons. So it will be create a new variant for us. So the first one is our primary button and the second one is our secondary button. In the secondary I will just create gray tone and the button text we need this tone. And again I want to be add variant. I just go here and create the button variant and add the success button. Text color will be fine. Select this and add the button and adding the danger. After creating, you can see here is our all the button variants available property. You can see the default secondary, the third one is success. It's a forget to name, we just change it success button, and here is our danger button, and the first one default is our primary button. I just declare all the variant names of buttons. So here is our Figma button variant, and now I just use from this primary button. In this primary button you can just change the property from here secondary, you want success or you want danger, and by default you can change your text here whatever button you want to be used, and you can just convert this button into the primary. The text will be the remain same. So this button variant very basic and simple buttons that will be used repeat use in your website design project. Okay friends, thank you. If you like my video, and then please subscribe to my channel, and this Figma file be available in the descriptions. Thank you.